Your car carpets are probably hiding more dirt than you think. Coffee stains, muddy shoes, pet messes, and trapped odors can completely ruin your interior. Today we are counting down the best portable car carpet cleaner machines that actually remove stains and make your car look fresh again. Links to all products are in the description. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Hoover Clean Slate Plus Portable Carpet Cleaner. This is one of the best balanced options for people who want strong cleaning performance without spending too much money. The Hoover Clean Slate comes with powerful suction, useful cleaning tools, and a compact design that works great for car interiors. It handles cloth seats, floor mats, carpet stains, food spills, pet messes very well. The hose attachments also make it easy to clean tight spaces between seats and under the dashboard area. One thing users really like is how simple the machine is to use. Spray the cleaning solution, scrub lightly, and the suction pulls dirty water back into the tank quickly. The machine is lightweight and easy to store, making it perfect for regular interior cleaning. If you want a reliable portable cleaner at a reasonable price, this is a very solid option. At number 4, we have the Kenmore Spotlight KW2001. This cleaner is becoming very popular because of its surprisingly strong 17 kilopascal suction power. For car detailing, suction is extremely important because weak machines leave carpets wet and dirty. The Kenmore does a much better job extracting moisture compared to many cheaper models online. It performs especially well on deep carpet stains, muddy footprints, pet accidents, old upholstery marks. The lightweight body also makes it very easy to move around while cleaning your vehicle. Another advantage is the long hose reach, which helps clean back seats and hard to reach areas more comfortably. Even though Kenmore is not as famous as Bissell or Shark in this category, the cleaning performance is seriously impressive for the price. This is easily one of the best value portable carpet cleaners on Amazon right now. Coming in at number 3 is the Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. If you want raw cleaning power, this machine is a beast. Rug Doctor is known for strong extraction performance, and this cleaner is designed for heavily stained carpets and upholstery. It works extremely well for pet messes, deep stains, bad odors, muddy carpets, older car interiors. The suction power is noticeably stronger than many lightweight portable cleaners, which helps pull more dirt and dirty water from deep inside the carpet fibers. This machine is especially good for families, pet owners, rideshare drivers, and people with older vehicles. The larger water tank is another advantage because you spend less time refilling during bigger cleaning sessions. The only downside is that it is slightly heavier and bulkier than smaller cleaners, but for deep cleaning performance, this is one of the strongest options available. At number 2, we have the Shark Stain Striker Portable Cleaner. This is one of the most modern and visually premium portable cleaners on the market right now. The Shark Stain Striker is designed specifically for stain and odor removal, making it excellent for car interiors. It performs very well on drink spills, food stains, pet odors, sweaty seats, daily interior dirt. One of its biggest advantages is the lightweight compact design, which makes cleaning inside vehicles very easy. The setup process is quick, and the machine is comfortable to carry around while detailing. The included cleaning tools also help reach tight corners and upholstery areas without much effort. Another reason this cleaner is trending is because the design looks modern and premium compared to many traditional carpet cleaners. If you want a cleaner that looks good, works fast, and removes odors effectively, the Shark Stain Striker is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner. This machine basically dominates the portable carpet cleaner category. You have probably seen it everywhere on YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and car detailing videos. And honestly, there is a reason for that. The Bissell Little Green offers one of the best combinations of portability, ease of use, stain removal, reliability, overall value. It works great for car carpets, cloth seats, floor mats, upholstery, pet stains, interior detailing. One of the biggest reasons people love this cleaner is consistency. It is simple, lightweight, beginner-friendly, and delivers reliable results every time. The transparent dirty water tank also creates very satisfying cleaning visuals, which is why these videos perform so well online. Another advantage is brand trust. Bissell has built a strong reputation in the cleaning industry, and replacement parts and cleaning formulas are easy to find. For most people, this is the safest overall choice. price. So here's the final showdown. If you want the best budget-friendly cleaner with solid overall performance, go with the Hoover Clean Slate Plus. If powerful suction and deep stain removal matter most, the Kenmore Spotlight KW2001 is an underrated beast. Need serious extraction power for disgusting pet messes and heavily stained carpets? The Rug Doctor delivers pro-level cleaning performance. Want something modern, lightweight, and amazing for odor removal? The Shark Stain Striker is one of the hottest portable cleaners right now. But if you want the best overall portable car carpet cleaner machine with the perfect balance of performance, portability, reliability, and Amazon popularity, the Bissell Little Green easily takes the #1 spot. That wraps up today's list of the best portable car carpet cleaner machines you can buy right now. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which cleaner you would choose for your car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.